When it comes to first dates, first impressions are everything. What you do, say, and how you carry yourself can make or break the connection. There's a fine line between nailing it and totally missing the mark. In today's video, I'm going to lay out the ultimate first date protocol, what you should do to make a great impression, and what you should avoid to prevent turning her off. Let's dive into the do's and don'ts of a successful first date. Be on time. Punctuality is an absolute must. Being late sets a bad tone right from the start, and it shows a lack of respect for her time. Even if it's a few minutes, it can give the impression that the date isn't a priority for you. What to do? Plan to arrive 10-15 minutes early. This gives you a buffer in case of traffic or delays. Showing up on time shows you're reliable, respectful, and excited about the date. Don't overshare too soon. Sharing too much personal information early on can overwhelm her or make things feel awkward. Talking too much about past relationships, family drama, or deep insecurities right away can make the conversation heavy. What not to do? Avoid turning the first date into a therapy session. Keep the conversation light and engaging. Ask about her interests, passions, and goals. Remember, the first date is about getting to know each other, not unloading all your baggage. Dress well and be presentable. First impressions are often visual. The way you dress says a lot about you, so make sure you're putting in effort. You don't have to wear a suit, but you do need to look put together, clean, and confident. What to do? Choose an outfit that's appropriate for the setting, and make sure it's something you feel confident in. Groom yourself, make sure your clothes are clean, and pay attention to small details like your shoes or watch. You want to come across as someone who takes care of himself. Don't be glued to your phone. Checking your phone repeatedly during a date is one of the quickest ways to make her feel unimportant. It shows that you're distracted and not fully present in the moment, which is a major turnoff. What not to do? Don't place your phone on the table, and definitely don't check it during the conversation unless it's an emergency. If you need to check it, do so discreetly. Otherwise, keep your phone out of sight and focus on the person in front of you. Do listen more than you talk. One of the biggest mistakes people make on first dates is talking too much about themselves. While you want to share things about your life, you also want to make sure you're listening to her. People appreciate feeling heard and understood. What to do? Ask open-ended questions, listen to her responses, and follow up with thoughtful comments. Show genuine interest in her stories and opinions. Listening more than you talk will make her feel valued and respected. Don't try to impress too hard. It's tempting to try to impress her with stories about your job, achievements, or material possessions, but going overboard can make you seem arrogant or self-centered. A first date should feel like a balanced conversation, not a one-man show. What not to do? Don't spend the entire date talking about your accomplishments or trying to show off. Instead, be humble and genuine. Share stories that reveal your personality, not your status. Confidence is attractive, but boasting is a turnoff. Pay attention to body language. Body language says more than words ever can. Pay attention to her body language and yours. Are you leaning in when she talks? Are her arms crossed, or is she facing you openly? These cues will help you gauge how the date is going. What to do? Use positive body language, maintain eye contact, lean in slightly when she's talking, and smile genuinely. If she's leaning in, mirroring your movements, or making direct eye contact, those are good signs that she's engaged and interested. Don't rush physical contact. Touch is important in building connection, but it has to be gradual and natural. Rushing into physical contact, like placing your hand on hers too soon, can make her feel uncomfortable or pressured. What not to do? Avoid overstepping boundaries by touching too much too soon. Start with casual, light touches like a tap on the arm while laughing. Gauge her comfort level and let things progress naturally. Be clear about your intentions. If you're genuinely interested in seeing her again, make it clear by the end of the date. Women appreciate honesty and knowing where things stand. If the date went well, leave her with no doubt that you're interested. What to do? At the end of the date, say something like, "I had a great time with you tonight, and I'd love to see you again." Being direct but respectful shows confidence and lets her know you're serious about pursuing a connection. Don't talk about exes or negative topics. Bringing up past relationships, especially exes, is one of the worst things you can do on a first date. It drags the conversation into a negative space and can make things awkward or uncomfortable. What not to do? Steer clear of topics like your ex, past heartbreaks, or anything too heavy for a first date. Keep the mood light and positive, focusing on getting to know each other instead of dredging up negative memories. Be polite and courteous. Manners matter. Small gestures like opening the door, saying please and thank you, or walking her to her car at the end of the night go a long way in showing respect and making a lasting impression. What to do? Be polite and attentive throughout the date. Basic manners are timeless, and women notice the small things. Treat her with respect and show her that you value her time. Don't get drunk or lose control. Having a drink to calm your nerves is fine, but overdoing it is a huge mistake. Getting too drunk can lead to embarrassing behavior and send the message that you're not in control. What not to do? Know your limit. If you're drinking, pace yourself and stay in control. You want to be fully present and at your best, not sloppy or overly intoxicated. Conclusion. So, that's the first date protocol. Do's and don'ts to help you navigate the date with confidence and class. From being on time and dressing well to avoiding oversharing or trying too hard to impress, these tips will help you make a great first impression. Remember, first dates are about getting to know each other, having fun, and creating a connection, so relax and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more dating tips and relationship advice. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your next date.